Securing suitable dressing materials posed formidable challenges, as the muscular tissue proved inadequate in retaining the sutures. We were able to cleanse it effectively, eliminating the malodorous effects of the full scent. Thanks to the diligent efforts of these remarkable individuals, who undertake the arduous task of tending to the well-being of the dog. Now brimming with happiness, cleanliness, and a renewed vitality, the dog has fully healed from its wounds. Fortunately, dog found a new home in the compassionate embrace as it was adopted by a hotel owner residing nearby Rampur School.